Good morning, guys. I'm Hamid again. Day 4th in Kiruna, Sweden, and today I have booked an activity here. That's a snowmobile ride. So I'm waiting for my ride, and I'm again at the same point because it was near to my home, like where I'm staying here. So it was near to my place. So that's why I thought like I should put this one as my pickup point. So they're gonna pick me up in like half an hour, and then we're gonna go to their place. From there we can drive those snowmobiles. I'm really pumped. It's gonna be fun because I've never drove one of them, and it's gonna be really fun. So I'll catch you in a bit. So that's the place where I have to wait, and I'm waiting for my ride. So let's do some B-roll.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
So I'm in my transport, and Miko came here to pick me up, and we are on the way to the jet ski place. How long or how far is that?
To the place where we're going from?
Yes.
It's just 10 minutes drive to my lodge, and then we take off from there with snowmobiles.
Alright.
So we're driving up to a small mountain height to get some views over the highest mountain range in Sweden, but sadly it's really cloudy, foggy today.
Yep.
But we're gonna have a good tour anyway. It's always fun to be out and drive some snowmobiles.
Alright. So why did I need to do like sign this one?
You will not drink alcohol when you drive, and it's on you drive on your own risk, and if you need pay self risk, till example the maximum sum is 8,000.
So no alcohol while driving.
Full speed, and they have no idea what it's going to.
Oh, okay.
So just be very careful with this one.
Okay.
Have your feet up here the whole time.
Yeah.
I can give you a hand with that in a while. Have them up here. If you start to sit, you must have them in. So you don't have them outside and you need it, right? Person in the back sits here and hold on here. Then there is 3 more things, important things. So one is in some area it can be a little bit tricky. And I put this one around your hand. See that?
So we are in the middle of nowhere, and we took a quick coffee break, and now we are going. And they are getting prepared for that. Now we are going back.